Good morning, dear students. Welcome to PN Amarsi e-learning classes. Now, our today's topic is about think and throw. How much of garbage do you think is thrown out by each house every day? You can make an estimate by using a bucket as a measure. Use 5 or 10 liter bucket to collect the garbage from your home for a few days. In how many days does the bucket become full? You know the number of members in your family. If you find out the population of your city or town, can you estimate the number of buckets of garbage that may be generated in a day in your city or town? We are generating mountains of garbage every day, isn't it? You can see figure 16.7 here, neighborhood garbage dump. Let us read a story about a village where there is less garbage and more wisdom. Nano studies in class 6th. He is very fond of making paper planes. His mother is very annoyed when he tears off sheets from new notebooks to make aeroplanes, but Nanu does not care. Once Nanu went to his aunt's village along with his mother. He was amazed at the variety of things his cousin Sham had made. Files from old charts, greeting cards decorated with flowers, made from pencil shavings, mats from old cloths, baskets from used old polythene bags were some of the items Nanu liked. Sham had even made a diary from invitation cards. One morning, Nanu went looking for his grandmother, Nani. He saw that she was applying a thick paste on a basket. Nanu asked, Nani, what are you doing? What is this paste? This is peppermachi, a paste made of clay and paper in which I have also mixed some rice husk, replied Nani. But why are you putting it on the basket? Asked Nanu. To make it stronger, said Nani, and added, would you like to learn this from me? Nanu was not very keen and ran outside to play. He was only interested in tearing up papers to make planes. In fact, he also started tearing up papers from Sham's files. Sham collected all the pieces of paper Nanu had used, wondering what to do about him. He just did not listen to anyone. It was Nanu's birthday in a few days. Sham planned to invite Nanu's friends. Nanu took out money from his mud pot and went to the market. He bought some paper hats for his friends. He asked the shopkeeper for a polythene bag to keep the hats, who gave him a paper bag instead of polythene. Nanu also bought many other items like biscuits and toffees. He found it difficult to carry all of these things as no shopkeeper was ready to give a polythene bag. Sham had told him to carry a cloth bag with him, and he was sorry he did not listen to him. Somehow he managed to reach home with all his purchases. You can see figure 16.8 in your textbook. Nanu's friends enjoyed the feast on his birthday and played many games. All his friends wore the shiny paper hats Nanu had bought. Sham had made beautiful papier matching mask for Nanu's friends. He had a special gift for Nanu as well, a photo frame and a greeting card made from the paste of all the pieces of paper Nanu had thrown away. It was a new experience for Nanu. All his friends went home with their masks. Nanu was too excited to finish his meal and look at his gifts. Nanu returned home after his holidays were over. how different his town was from Sham's village. There were no rag pickers in the village as it was neat and clean. But now he stopped making faces when he saw the rag picking children near his house. You might have seen some children sorting the garbage near your house or at other places. Observe the children at work and find out how they separate useful material from the garbage. They are actually helping us. Talk to one such child and find out what do they do with the rubbish they collect. Where do they take it? Does he or she go to school? What about his or her friends? If they do not go to school, find out the possible reasons. Can you help this child to read and write? Have you ever helped at home to sell old newspapers, glass and metal things, plastic bags, and your old notebooks to a garbage dealer? Talk to him and find out what he does with all the garbage. Would you like to make paper from old and discarded paper like Sham? Let us learn to do this. Thank you, dear students.